First of all, I don't know whether I am competent to speak in this forum regarding my experience with Kanshiram, because I had no chance to meet him personally since I came into contact with this movement only in 2005. Whatever I could gather from my experience with this movement since 2005, only I can share my views on Manivar Kanshiram. It gives me immense pleasure to study about the personality of Manivar Kanshiram, because as far as I am concerned, he is an unbelievable personality. Why? Because the ideology of Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar was there. On this foundation only, Manivar Kanshiram began to work. But when we see the result, the foundations laid by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was translated into practice by Manivar Kanshiram within a very short span of time. The techniques he used is very much worth studying, because the concept that the downtrodden people or the downtrodden people of this country can be made the rulers of this country is an unbelievable concept, because they don't have, first of all, they are not united, they don't have money, they don't have land, they don't have any other valuables in their hand. But still, Kanshiramji made his own tools to strengthen them ideologically and brought about a concept that they are the majority inhabitants of this land and they should got hold of the power of this ruling power. So the techniques Kanshiramji used attracted me very much. So I started studying about his personality, his method of uniting people, his method of analyzing what Baba Saheb Ambedkar brought before us. When we go deep into the tools Kanshiramji used, two things attracted me very much. That is one is he identified one section, those who could deliver things or those who could get the message of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, that which should be penetrated into the downtrodden masses, for which he organized the educated employees in the name of BAMSEF. That is what the employees need to do in their life as appeal or as expected by Baba Saheb Ambedkar. That is, this BAMSEF, these employees, educated employees, have got a responsibility towards the society So they should pay back to the society. That concept was very novel, which Kanshiramji used very effectively. See, the work he could lead within a very stint of time. That is from, I think, in 1964 only he came to this moment, and within 20 years, that is within in 1984 only, there's political wing, that is bumps of this BSP was floated. So within these 20 years, he get a wide network of these educated employees who translated the theory of Babasaheb Ambedkar and Kanshiramji into practice. It was a tremendous work he could do within this short period. So that is the personality, that is the capacity of Manohar Kanshiram, which attracted me. The methods he adopted for inculcating this message to become the rulers of this country, how easily he could penetrate into the masses. As a very simple man, using very normal techniques, he could mingle easily with the illiterate rural masses and educating them how they could unite as one class without ignoring their caste community consciousness. That was a very wonderful idea. So when we go deep into the methods he used, with a very simple manner, mingling with the ordinary people, teaching them the lessons or the intricacies of this ruling class, uniting the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, and religious minorities as one group consisting 85% of the total population is worth studying. So that concept itself was very, very novel to the time when Kanshiramji started the movement. So when we relook the ideological or fundamental principles leading to become the ruling class, we have to again implement the methods. In my opinion, we should again implement the methods used by Kanshiramji once again. Because without the concept of non-political work, which he very effectively carried out through this BAMSF, we cannot get hold of this power, ruling power. So, uniting these beneficiaries of the work of Babasaheb Ambedkar or Kanshiramji, we cannot move forward because the masses, general masses, the downtrodden masses, respecting the contributions from the educated masses, educated class, who are the real beneficiaries of the work of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So that concept, I think, we should unite once again, or we should get the services of this educated masses as a cementing force between the rural masses and the ruling class. Another point I want to emphasize here is the boldness of Dr. Manohar Kanshiramji. At the very instance that when the International Congress was in brutal majority, especially in northern India, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Kanshiramji had the guts to challenge them on the face of this authority, because he declared that one day I will rule India, we will rule India, we will rule the Uttar Pradesh. So after declaring his objective, his target was to finish the International Congress that he could do within a very short period. So that boldness, that concept, when we plunge into action, we must have a target, we must have a clear vision on what is our objective. That objective was there in Kanshiramji. No other leader had the guts to challenge such a ruling community without any background. As we all know, Kanshiramji had no political background. He born in a very ordinary family. He had no other influence or no other way in connecting this political parties or government. So from a big zero, he began his social transformation work, and he could lead the caravan of Baba Saheb Ambedkar from where he left in 1956 to up to 2006. Unfortunately, in the midway, his mission was derailed by these tyrannical forces, which was very unfortunate even in our social arena. So our aim is, or our responsibility is to get this caravan back to the rails and lead to its destination without any delay. I can only wish that the ideological foundation and the way of transacting or way of dealing or the methods adopted by Kanshiramji is still valid, and we will directly plunge into action to make his vision reality. So with these words, I'm concluding for the time being. today, actually, I was not prepared to speak in this forum because I was under the impression that people who have got a direct one-to-one contact with the Ghanshyamji only need to speak in this type of meetings, because that is what we need at this moment. Though there are hundreds or thousands of people who have got a direct access or direct contact with or who worked along with Ghanshyamji for a long time in his mission. As a person very lately came in contact with this moment, I have only very limited knowledge about Ghanshyamji. Whatever I could gather from my experience with the movement as an employee, it was very limited. So I have only a few words to convey to you right now. Anyway, I will continue my mission. I will continue the work we have started in my own way, in my own limited capacity. Anyway, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity in this forum to ventilate my views. I once again thank you very much, and let me conclude right now. I convey my wishes for achieving our goal without much delay. Thank you.
We can create even casteless society only by becoming rulers of India.